All right, we're going to book a load using the DriveXPO app. When you open up the app, it's showing you freight that is nearby you picking up within the next couple of days. If you hit the map button, the map pin over to the right-hand side of the screen, it's a much better view. So we want to pick up the load that's closest to us. That is this one, picking up in Albion, Michigan. All right, if you like their price, they're giving us $13.93, and we can accept that right now. We can hit that Buy Now button, confirm everything, hit the confirm button at the bottom, and they'll send you a rate con in like 10 or 20 seconds. But if we don't like the price, we can place a bid on it. We don't like that $1.83 a mile, we can put in whatever we want to. We'll put in $2.20 a mile. So we want $16.74 out of it. You hit confirm, and they'll get back to you within 1 or 2 minutes with either accepting that offer or hitting you with a counter offer. All right, so let's say we booked this load. They accepted our offer. We're getting $1,600 to go to Forest Park, Georgia. Now, we know we're going to be in Forest Park, Georgia on September 9th at 9 a.m. So we want to find out about freight coming out of there. The bottom right-hand side of the screen, hit more. Then the second one down, hit request loads. And you guys know what to do from here. Pick up location, Forest Park, Georgia. Drop off wherever you want to go. And that's it. We'll say we want to know, send us notifications for the next 48 hours. Hit request. That's it. This is way too easy, and it works way too good to not take advantage of.